Hi guys! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa meet-up point namin ng tour. And sa tapat lang to mismo ng Astana International Hotel. So, ngayon, basic instructions. Check natin if may van na for Panda Travel. So, feeling ko baka hindi pa to yun. Kasi until 5 AM naman yung meet-up point. Ayan. Guys, ito na tayong tour. So, papakita ko lang yung booking confirmation natin. Yes, Stephanie.
I'm your tour guide, Luba.
Okay.
Please come inside the bus.
Okay. Ayan, guys. Let's go.
Like a map with no borders.
I will show you menu. You choose by yourself what you want. The menu, the food is not included in the price, so you pay by yourself. I will show you prices and food. Food is really amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayan, guys. Binigyan nila kami ng free water. Goods, no? Para hindi na kami bumili. Pero, baka bumili kami kahit isa. Para sure. Ayan, guys. Tingnan lang muna tayo na pwedeng bilhin for our breakfast. Guys, kanina pala meron kaming nakausap Pinoy din na kasama namin sa tour. Ayun, mag-isa lang si ate. Guys, may iba rin sila ditong mga food selections. Salad. Yes. Guys, withdraw lang kami dito. Yan. Yes. Continue, yes. Kasi 4 lang. Ayan mo na lang. If wala talaga. Ayan, guys. After mag-grocery, we're officially on our way now to Sharin Canyon. Ayan, guys, so finally nandito na tayo sa Black Canyon. Initially, ang Sharin Canyon dapat yung first stop natin. Pero since medyo, hindi pala siya medyo, cloudy pala talaga. Kasi kanina nag-snow. Ayun. So parang ang sinasabi, baka wala kami makita if ipupush namin na yun yung una sa itinerary namin. So ngayon, nandito kami sa Black Canyon muna, and then Palsay Lake, and then Piney Lake. Okay? After nun, Sharin Canyon na. Let's go. Nakapayong nga pala kami kasi medyo maambol. Ay, wow! Ito pala yung viewing deck nila. Yan. Tingnan natin ngayon. Wow! Wow!
Mga shops ngayon pero close pa, so pabalik na kami ngayon sa aming van. So kita-kits sa susunod.
Ayan, guys, so ngayon
Are you sure?
doon na kami bumisita sa Black Canyon. And our next stop will be Piney Lake. Let's go!
Our big archipelago country, so we have 7,600 plus islands. We have a lot of beautiful beaches there, which I'm proud of. And I believe we have the sweetest mango, and it's my favorite food. Yeah.
Let's go! Thank you. Ako na next, guys. My name is Justine M. Gatbonton from the Philippines. I'm currently 26. I believe our country has the most warm and welcoming people. And I believe we have great singers as well. But currently I won't be singing here in the bus.
Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie Agbuya and I'm from the Philippines as well. One fact about our country is that most of our foods there are all delicious, like sinigang. So you should try that once you visit us.
Thank you.
Ayan guys, dahil hindi kakayanin ng mismong van namin paakyat, dito kami ngayon sasakay.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa entrance pa Candy Lake and nagbabayad sila ngayon ng entrance fee para makapasok dito.
Yung entrance naman nito will be shouldered by the tour guide naman na kasi kasama na yun sa binayaran niyo sa tour mismo na yun.
Pero kung magdi-DIY kayo siguro, eto kailangan nyo magbayad dito ng entrance fee.
Yes.
Right? So, yun siya.
I'm standing on the highest ledge, right on the world's most windy edge, and making a brand new pledge.
So, dito guys, 8,000 yung pagbayad ng horse. So, yan, takbo na naman siya.
To never live my life in fear, to make my purpose crystal clear.
Kung naririnig nyo naman ako, grabe sobrang tarik dito. Tapos pag nalubog pa mo dito, kawawa ka. Talagang tapa ka sa putik. Oh my God.
I'm standing here, my heart is beating.
Kalma ka lang. Guys, di na ako magtatrabaho. Nakalib ako ngayon.
For all the things that are to come, I take a breath and make the leap, a promise I will always keep. This is the adventure of a lifetime, a moment that is so sublime. I'm in my own true happy prime, committing a most
Tugulong tayo dyan.
the adventure of a lifetime.
Lean back. Balin ba ka? Oh my God. Ngayon lang ako kinabahan. Kanina, ang saya ko eh. Ba po ako sa lean back. Huwag ka madadapa. Huwag ka madadapa. Ayoko humiga sa putikan. Ba, focus ka lang ha. Nga na mag-phone. Ina, nag-drip. Drip si Idol. Lean back lang. Nasaan na ba yung taxi? Gagi. Is this the only one? Ay, tapos parang medyo nadudulas-dulas pa yung kabayo. Magkano ba yung taxi? Ba't di na rin natin tinaxi? Na-stress pa ako. Ayun na guys, parang dito na tayo. Dito na tayo sa kampo. Chill, chill, brother. Oh. Hey! Ay, ang ganda ng lake ba? Sakto ako sa HS ah. Pag
One with one, okay?
sure. Video. Ingat ah. Umiihi siya. Parang gusto ko tuloy tumakbo dun sa ano.
Ayan guys, after bumaba sa forest, dito na tayo ngayon.
Didin na kami.
Medyo ano lang guys, Hindi pala medyo, maputik pala talaga siya. And,
Oh.
look at my outfit. It's all white.
Didi.
Okay.
May stress kayo dun guys, parang malalaglag.
Ay, si ate pala guys, nakilala natin.
From
Kasama
Cebu.
natin sa tour. From Cebu siya.
Paket na kami guys. 8 na ata kami. Nagpahuli, may nagpa-picture eh. Diba? Nagpa-picture eh. Wala na talaga sila.
The sun is shining bright.
Grabe guys. Sakto lang yung lamig dito. Hindi siya super lamig kahit maraming snow and nasa mountain. So, kaya naman siya kahit walang gloves. Hindi lang namin ngayon ma-check yung temperature kasi wala nang signal dito. Guys, pag kayo nasi-CR, yung CR pala dito is yung nasa sahig na may butas. So, kung be prepared na lang kayo. Siguro dala kayo ng maraming alcohol, siguro tissue, Lysol, if ever, kasi medyo...
And guys,
Hello.
tour guide.
She's our
It's
tour guide.
amazing.
Have you encountered any content creator before?
Oh yes,
From the Philippines?
Yes, from the Philippines.
Oh.
There was the huge group, but I don't know their names. I
Oh,
think they are really a famous one.
are they from Klook?
Look,
Yes. What was the date or month?
it was at November, I think.
Oh, November.
A really huge comment. They made a lot of videos.
Yes.
Sa Kazakhstan on TikTok.
Oh, really? And you decided to go?
Yes.
And that's amazing. You chose Kazakhstan,
Yes, of course. No doubt.
country, to have.
Oops.
I'm really glad to hear that.
Wow.
Where'd all the time go? Starting to fly. See how the hands go, waving goodbye.
Congratulations to you. You made the way up. It was hard, but you made it. And this is a Candy Lake, not Candy Lake. It can be heard like candy, but it's Kayanda. And Kayanda, it's called because they have birch tree growing outside. You by the way to the lake, maybe you saw the trees with a white tail, with a white. So this is a birch tree, and birch in the Kazakh language called Kayan. So this is Kayanda. So as you see, this lake with the trees. This is the spruce trees. For now, they almost dead. And why they dead? Because in the 1911, there was a huge earthquake. The magnitude was 8. So because of this huge earthquake, there was a river. There was just a gorge, and the river, the landslide blocked the flow of the river, and of course, it disappeared the lake. And also, if you see, the level of water was higher. If you see, there was like white, a little bit white. Yes, so the level of water was higher, but another earthquake, and the level of water lowered down. So maybe in 50 years, another earthquake, and there will be no more lake like this. And also, trees are dying inside, so they also can fall down. So maybe in 50 years again, there will be just typical lake or no more lake like this. But this lake right now comes into 15 most beautiful lakes in the world.
Wow.
Yeah, so you see beauty. Enjoy beauty.
So
For now it's half
nice.
frozen, but anyway, it's amazing.
In summer, can you swim in this lake?
No, there is forbidden to swim, forbidden to have a fish, and for now it's forbidden to step on the ice. So
Oh.
please don't step on the ice because it started to cracken, and you just can go
Oh.
on the ice.
Sad to say guys, dito sa part na to, nagloko na naman yung mic namin. Pero as you can see, ayan si Tin, naganap lang ng CR. However, na-realize niya na close pala nung time na to yung available na CR dito sa Kindy Lake. So, swerte na rin, nakasalubong namin yung tour guide namin. Kaya we ask her na lang if meron pa bang available na pwede mapag-CRan sa part na to. Pero ayun, sadly, wala daw. So, we decided na lang na lumapit sa part na pwedeng lapitan yung mismong Kindy Lake. Ayun, sabi ni tour guide sa amin earlier, bawal tumapak yung mga tourists dito sa mga ice na malapit sa Kindy Lake. Given na patapos na rin yung winter season, kaya yung part na nag-yellow dito is palusaw na. Ayan, so after checking out yung dun sa malapit sa Kindy Lake, pabalik na kami ngayon dun sa camp kung saan kami bumaba kanina. And as you can see, ayan guys, sobrang putek. Kaya dahan-dahan din yung paglalakad namin knowing na prone din kami sa pagkakadulas. Kaya ayan, so ngayon, nagmamadali na rin kami kasi baka maiiwan na rin kami. Ayan, sa part na to, pinag-uusapan lang namin ni Tin kung gaano kami na-amaze dun sa Kindy Lake kasi guys, hindi ko sure kung nabigyan ba ng justice ng camera pero sa personal, sobrang ganda ng Kindy Lake and I think Kindy Lake is my most favorite lake na napuntahan namin for this trip. Ayan. So, guys, kapag nagpag-decidean yung pumunta ng Kazakhstan, you should try this tour para at least mas ma-appreciate nyo yung nature na meron sa Kazakhstan.
I've been racing against the clock. Now all I do is chase the sun. I tell myself that I'm growing up, but shit never gets done. Every promise that I make just breaks another one. I hang with people that I hate and avoid the ones I love. I'm putting it off, see there's still time. The universe keeps drawing the line. Keep me honest, hold me still. The quiet pulls me in again. I own the weight of the things that I've done. Keep me honest, hold me still. The quiet pulls me in again. I own the weight of the things that I've done.
Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Kolsay Lake. Love, let's go. And nag-snow pa rin. How much?
4,000 tenge.
4,000 tenge. Guys, if gusto niyo yung picture, ayan, 4,000 tenge. And buhay ata yung eagle, no? Ayan. So, to go to Kolsay Lake, ayan, kailangan natin mag-hike. Ay, ano pala, pababa. So, medyo susubukin lang tayo mamaya kapag akyat. Medyo malamig, no? Pero not to the point na sasakit yung balat mo, di ba? Let's go! Kamusta naman so far yung feeling ng yung tour natin dito? Sobrang worth it, no?
Yes.
Grabe. Kumaga parang, saan ka makakuha ng ganong tour? Tapos, 2,000. Diba? Yan.
Talaga mag-hike tayo, no?
Oo, mag-hike to. Naran pa yung hagdan pababa. Doon na mismo yung pwede kang lumapit sa lake. Lake lang tayo, guys.
Parang mali, no? Una yung pababa bago yung paakyat.
Parang sarap muna bago hirap. Ganun. Ganong levels. Feet check. Guys, ang ganda, oh. Grabe. What a majestic view. Guys, nandito na tayo. Yung mga available shops kung pala dito. Yan. Wow. Grabe. Malapit na siya malusa, oh. Kasi payan na rin naman nung winter. Ayan. If gusto nyo lumapit mismo dun sa lake, pwede kayong bumaba. Ayan, pababa dyan. Ayan, guys. We decided na magpa-drone shot here. Let's go! After the drone shot, we realized that someone took photos of us while shooting, kaya chinek namin yung result and see if i-avail ba namin. We then asked Kuya how much yung rate if both kukunin namin. After 5 minutes, the videographer was already done editing our videos, kaya in-airdrop na lang ni Kuya Saman lahat ng clips including yung photos na in-avail namin. Buti na lang, guys, pwede ang card payment dahil diba kanina hindi kami nakapag-withdraw ng cash sa grocery. So, ayan, thankfully, nakakuha din kami ng discount since madami kaming in-avail sa kanila. So, if interested din kayo to avail a drone shot here in Colsay Lake, nasa tapat lang ng viewing deck yung pwesto nila and you can ask for a discount then, especially if both videos and pictures naman yung i-avail nyo. Ayan, sila kuyang videographer. And ayan naman si Kuyang photographer. So, pwede nyong tandaan na lang, guys, yung faces nila para kapag pumunta kayo ng Colsay Lake, you can ask for their assistance na lang. Ayos ba, guys, ang travel tips? Aesthetic tips pala.
So after namin magpa-drone shot, naisipan namin na bumaba pa sa susunod na viewing deck kasi meron ditong 3 viewing deck sa Colsay Lake, which is yung una yung kung saan kami nag-drone shot, then second one dito sa susunod na pupunta namin. Then since napag-isipan namin na hindi na kami aabot sa call time, hanggang dito na lang muna kami sa second viewing deck. Hindi na kami pupunta pa sa pinakababang part. So dito, nabutan pa pala namin yung ka-tour namin na Malaysian guy. And dinofera na lang rin namin na picturean si Kuya kasi parang natatagalan siya na mag-picture sa sarili niya. Then dito pala, guys, ina-encourage kami ni Kuya na pumunta sa country nila, which is sa Malaysia, kasi meron daw rin sila mga gandang mga scenery sa country nila.
Never been sure where faith begins. Guess I'm still waiting for something to hit. I whispered questions till midnight winds. Not sure if someone's listening. Lying here silent, your hand on my skin. Feels like it's an answer or close enough to it. 'Cause I don't know where we go when the light fades out. If there's a voice in the sky or if it's quiet, but I will believe her if believe in me.
And guys, so ngayon, mag-i-start na yung tour natin going to where?
Karen Canyon.
So, mahangin siya, guys, and malamig. Buti na lang meron akong warmer na dala. So, pantawid to ng lamig. Diba?
Gutom.
Good.
Ang tawid ng gutom.
Bakit gutom ka na?
Hindi. Joke kasi.
This way is the whole way down. Right now we cannot make it because the daylight is not so huge, so we have only hour and a half here. So because of this, we're making only half of the way.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like that. If you want. If you don't want, you can make it a little, cut it in the half. So it's up to your back. There is it's one option, but be ready to go down the stairs. and go up the stairs. And it's only
You ready? The hike again?
Go down and go up in another way on the stairs. Another option, if you don't want to go down, go up, is just go on this side. It's also wonderful views. You can also make the water like you inside the canyon. You can also make like this, and also you will be on the top of canyon. But if you if you want to go inside, it's also like you're making a photo inside like this. So if you have hour and a half, at 4:50, I wait you in the bus. Yes, 4:50. It's okay to be late for 5 minutes, but not for 30 minutes. Okay.
Baba na tayo. One last hike. Then later on, mag-SB na tayo. Let's go! Sobrang guys. Sobrang haba ng biyahe. Nakakatulog na kami talaga. Pero good thing na kahit papano nakakapagpahinga kami. Kasi syempre hindi biro yung hike namin. Syempre nakakapagod yun given na malamig.
Kanina pa tayo ng hiking. Nasa Mount Pinatubo na ba tayo?
Yun nga lang, sinasabi ko sa kanila. Even though mahaba yung biyahe, good thing kasi nakakapagpahinga tayo. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Guys. Baba na tayo. Oh, guys. Grabe. May mga available tours na nag-offer ng tour sa Kindy or Colsay Lake. Mga 2 days tour yun. Kumbaga, para masulit nyo mismo yung stay nyo doon sa place na yun. So, if ever na you're a person na gusto yung mga ganun, hindi kailangan magmadali. Ayan. Pwede yun. Pero kami, goods na, no?
Yes.
Goods na kahit sa isang araw lang naman.
Goods
Kasi,
na dadalaw dito once in a decade.
yeah.
So,
yeah.
alay mo.
Be sure.
Alay mo.
Baka mamiss. Diba? Manifest natin yan.
Yeah.
Na sana magkaroon tayo opportunity na mabalikan natin yung mga bagay na gusto nating balikan. Guys, ayun, no? Kung nakikita nyo man.
Sarap ng buhay nila, no?
Oo. Alam ko parang nasa, hindi ko sure kung 1,000 tenge or
1,000?
Parang mura na, no?
Ang mura.
Pero hanggang dulo ata yun eh.
Oo.
Tayo parang wala nang time ever. According dun sa tour guide namin, para marating namin yung may good spot na pang photoshoot, ang kailangan naming lakarin is around 2.5 kilometers. So ngayon, naman, not a problem with us kasi masarap naman maglakad, malamig. Although later on, syempre mahirapan tayong mag-hike. Pero kaya yan, iwala lang. Let's go! So guys, meron pala ditong parang cave. So if nalalamigan kayo, pwede kayo dito magstay for a while para hindi masyadong mahangin. Yo.
Ito yung frogs ba na tinutukoy?
These rough days of my mind, leave these rough days far behind. You see them change,
Dito, parang may
they're leaving every which way. And these are strange times.
Guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa sa Taiwan. Ano nga ulit pangalan ng?
Kaohsiung.
Sa Kaohsiung ba yan, guys?
Yes.
Yung yung mga bato-bato.
Kaohsiung, yeah.
Ayan. Di pa kasi ako nakapunta dun eh.
Yes, ang sarap lang maglakad-lakad dito.
Guys, kunwari, madaling araw. Lakad lang kayo dito. Feeling ko naman masaya dito pag madaling araw.
Tapos, hanapin nyo na rin yung Lungani Vecna.
I saw moons to realize my potential. The predator I was always born to be.
Kasi sa main attraction dito, ayan o. Kung makikita nyo, may nag-iisang punong nakatayo dyan. Something unique, right?
Yes. And guys, Yung itong puno na to, naalala ko dati nung kabataan ko, may dahon pa yun. Munggo pa lang yan, guys. Ngayon, puno na. So, isipin mo kung ilang dekada yan bago maging puno yung munggo.
Si Adan ka ba?
Diba? It's okay to fly drone here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
But be careful about the wind.
Mhm.
The wind, okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Ayan guys, pwede daw drone. Here. Guys, grabe oh. Straight out of the movie. Sobrang ganda. At guys, ang kinagandahan pa, walang tao. Diba? So talagang masasolo niya yung photoshoot na, okay? Balik na tayo sa camp. Bye-bye! Every time na nasa tour ka ang pinaka-cons lang naman is kailangan habulin nyo yung time nyo. Guys, update. Medyo malayo pa. Pero kakayanin.
Guys, malayo na pero malayo pa. Ay, baliktad. Guys, malayo pa pero malayo na.
Ito mahirap guys kapag naka-tour kayo.
Oh, nagmamadali. Next time gusto ko dito mag-jogging 3 balikan.
At least may reason pa to come back, right?
Yes.
Love is a highway.
If you're going my way, well, I wanna drive.
Andito na. Ay, grabe.
Una tayo, guys.
Guys, hindi visible sa video. Pero medyo greenish na sa part na to.
Yes. And, grabe. Kami naman, guys, yung nahuli. Pati ito, yung couple.
Pero not recommended to guys ha. Let's go.
Did we make it on time? Ay,
Let me the
We made it!
for the washroom. If you need the coffee, round for a long.
okay.
Guys, finally. One last look dito sa taas. Oh, ganda, grabe. How are you feeling?
So, nice to be here.
Yes.
Grabe. Sobrang ganda.
Sulit na
Parang
sulit, guys.
Parang hindi pwedeng one time ka lang babalik sa ganito.
True.
Kasi unang-una hindi namin nakompleto yung dulo. Kaya
Yes.
talagang bitin kami and medyo nagtagal rin sa pictures kasi first time namin.
Yes.
So, ayan. Let's go.
And if you like the last spot, Charin Canyon, can you clap please? Oh, I see your favorite one. So Charin Canyon is your favorite, but I don't know. It's all I heard. So also, I need to ask you, did you like our driver?
Yes!
So we'll appreciate if you tell him Rahmet. Rahmet means thank you. Also, and if you like my job, I will also thankful. I hope that you enjoyed the trip, that you made good photos.
Ayan guys, quick stop over.
So he needs to take a gas every day.
Tambay-tambay lang dito. How are you feeling, Lovey?
Good. Gusto ko na kumain.
Yes. Na?
Kahit ano.
SB.
Medyo unti lang kasi kinain ko kanina.
Yes.
Kasi
Pero-
mahaba yung biyahe.
Pero malaki yung serving, ha? 'Di ba?
Oo, malaki.
Tapos ang worth lang niya 3,100. Sa ganong place, no? Ang mura na nun, 'di ba? Ayun, guys. Buti na lang isang order lang kami.
Mga 313 pesos.
Yes, at later on mag-SB kami. So we can try ang kanilang drink dito.
Masarap kasi kami natikman na SB sa may
Thailand.
sa
Bangkok.
DMK Airport. Grabe, sobrang sarap. Pero SB siya, gulat kami umabot ng 400 plus. Kasi pistachio,
Flavor siya.
chocolate,
Something.
tapos soy milk ba yun?
Oat milk.
Oat milk.
Yes.
Yan. Umabot ng 400. Parang medyo okay. Pero super
Pero
sarap.
masarap, guys.
Ang dami
Tapos,
niyang flavor, promise.
Tsaka, buo pa yung mga nuts.
Nuts, pistachio. Puno yung
Yun.
pistachio
Sobrang
nuts.
panalo.
Grabe.
Sayang walang ganun dito,
Ano siya,
no?
Thailand edition lang siya.
I mean, walang ganun sa Pilipinas pala, no?
Pero feeling ko parang kaya naman siya.
Kaya update na lang namin kayo. And guys, tomorrow,
We're going to
1, 2, 3, Kyrgyzstan. Napatingin sa'yo.
Bawal chocolate sa'yo, oy.
And guys, so nandito na ulit kami ngayon kung saan tayo pinick up kanina. Tapos, pupunta lang kami ng Starbucks. Guys, so along the way, may nadaanan kami na to. Ang ganda niya. Feeling ko ano siya, parang university nila dito. So we're on our way now to Starbucks galing sa pinagbabaan namin dun sa pinag-meet up pointan namin sa tapat ng Astana International Hotel. Okay? So, after i-check yung menu and bumili ng something sa Starbucks, diretso na rin kami ng apartment to rest na kasi kailangan pa namin gumising ng maaga tomorrow. Okay?
Oh.
Bye! See you tomorrow! Please don't forget to like
Comment!
and subscribe! Bye!
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you